Namaste students, today our topic is silent features of MRTP Act 1969. MRTP Act came into force on 1st June 1970. The law was enacted with the sole purpose of achieving the highest possible protection with least damage to people at large while securing maximum benefit. It is important to first understand the silent features that govern the Act in order to truly understand the scope of their applicability and the practical difficulties that arose in their implementation. First concept under the Act, command and control approach. The Act made it mandatory for enterprise having assets exceeding rupees 20 crore to take approval of the central government before any kind of corporate restructuring or takeover. The criteria for identifying the dominant undertaking was also fixed. Enterprises having assets of more than rupees 1 crore were automatically considered as dominant. Monopolistic trade practices. MRTP Act has covered under the Chapter 4 of the MRTP Act are the activities undertaken by big business houses by abusing their market position, hamper or eliminate healthy competition in the market. Such practices are anti-consumer welfare. Restrictive trade practices. MRTP Acts are activities that block the flow of capital or profits in the market. Some firms tend to control the supply of goods or products in the market, either by restricting production or controlling the delivery. MRTP discourages and prevents the firm from indulging in MRTPs. Unfair trade practices, basically an act of false, deceptive, misleading or distorted representation of facts pertaining to goods and services by the firms. Section 36A of the MRTP prohibits firms from indulging in unfair trade practices. The provision was inserted by the landmark 1984 amendment to the MRTP Act. MRTPA also provided for the establishment of MRTP Commission, which shall be regulatory authority to deal with the offences under the MRTP Act. At the time of its enactment, the MRTP being the first legislation addressing all competition law issues in India seemed to be a perfect law to catch the defaulters. However, with the passage of time, the wave of globalization that entered the country changed the whole scenario. These arose a need for modification in the existing MRTP Act in order to keep at pace with the changing economic scenario. There were many loopholes that arose in the law. Some of them have been briefly discussed. MRTP Act damaged legislation in need of repair. 1984 Amendment, 1991 Amendment. It should be noted here that despite the above amendments to remedy the shortfalls of the MRTP Act, there were many loopholes left which catalyzed its repeal. Thank you so much.